Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? I hope you all are well. I am also well by the grace of Allah. Welcome back to another new video. And today I am going to talk about a recent project and its Eternity Cloud. Eternity Cloud, one of the best project in this time and which is managed by one of the best bounty manager, the Hampus. Here you can see their website, Eternity Cloud, decentralized confidential computing on Ethereum compatible blockchain. Here their white paper and here their tokenomics and download technical white paper option. And you can see there are others option here. And here you can see their cloud computing developed for privacy, anonymity, and availability. And their vision about the future of the cloud has three imperative features: encrypted, anonymous, and continuous available. And here, leveraging blockchain technology, their mission is to develop a decentralized ecosystem that allows regular cloud software to be run as decentralized cloud application. Within Eternity Cloud, the nodes are location agnostic, self-reflecting, and constantly swapping, and rounds the internet without user interaction, exactly as defined in the Ethereum compatible smart contract. And here, their other software is decentralized, private, anonymous, and available. And it's by eliminating the middleman. Eternity Cloud provides a trustless, cost-effective, and reliable solution that empowers the regular user. And it's private by providing encryption of all levels. User data is always protected while at rest or in transit. And here, anonymous, and in a decentralized environment, anonymity is the key element that ensures the right privacy level. And they deeply understand the demand for anonymity when running cloud computing application. Therefore, anonymity is one of the strong pillars of Eternity Cloud. And here's the available. The decentralized design provides many advantages, however, availability and challenging. And that's why it's become their channels to support the adoption and development and decentralized application that run seamlessly and provide continuous availability. So they are revolutionizing and cloud computing industry by giving the power back to the end user. And current industry problems is here. You can see their current industry problem. Protecting and integrity of data is not guaranteed by any major cloud and a major cloud service provider. And major cloud service providers simply don't put an emphasis on privacy protection and integrity of user data. And here, the insider threat is one of the most common way that is leaked from cloud providers. And their solution is Eternity Cloud is building a fair ecosystem and where everyone's right to privacy to fully protected and integrity is ensured by the blockchain itself. And your data is protected from abuse cloud providers activities, ensuring fair, decentralized, and truly private operation. And using the ecosystem, users are capable to running cloud computing activities over the decentralized network file, maintaining complete control over the confidentiality and anonymity and reproducibility. And here, low cost of operation in order to keep it available for everyone. And here the decentralized cloud application, and you can use and trust it. Here's the smart contract, the next generation P2P network, Ethereum based blockchain, and dev friendly. And here's the documentation and the team behind of the project. Here's the team. So far today I will discuss about this project in my next video. So stay with me. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you again. Goodbye.